How to get signed in to your Prime Video. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you want to use your Prime Video or Amazon Prime and get logged into it, first of all you have to make sure you have updated the application or have downloaded it to your Android. For this, you just have to tap open the Play Store on your device. Once you have opened the Play Store, go to the search bar and then type in Prime Video. This will now give you Amazon Prime Video option. Install it if you have not, and if you have, just tap open the open button. Once you have reached the home page, it will take you to the login portal. The first thing that you need to do is provide the email address that you have created the account with. You can use the save password and credentials on your Google account as well, and then tap on continue. The next page consists of the password text field. Just type in the password that you had used before and then tap on continue, and after waiting for a few seconds you'll be logged in into your account. And that is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.